Hi, my name is David Keene, and I've been a virtual design and construction specialist with Baker Triangle for 1 year.
My name is William Tang. I'm the virtual design and construction director. I've been with Baker Triangle 3 years, and I love it. Through BIM Collaboration, we can create a virtual mock-up of all the trade partners' elements, and perhaps like a prefabricated wall, a pod, and it includes exact material lists and costs, and you can result in producing a better product that's reduced in price and time in the schedule.
Being able to plan ahead, we've been able to see that whenever we have a wall that needs to finish out directly up to the deck, we can actually take the profile of the deck and cut castle cuts with our CNC machine. What we did before then would just have a guy that would cut it on site by hand. And we found that the fastest he could do it, in 1 day he could cut and hang 8 sheets of drywall. And that's 64 linear feet. And that's only one side of the wall. But with our CNC machine, we found that we can cut over 120 of these in one 8-hour workday. So you're eliminating guys on the job site and you're cutting down man hours.
Includes creativity, which allows our field personnel to utilize the 3D model to come up with solutions. Virtually designing it, they can see it beforehand, it comes to the field, and they can see how it interacts with all the other trades.
A good example of that is that on this new panel job that we've got coming up in Austin, we've actually been able to take the plans before they're actually approved and 100% designed, and we can take each detail, which will show things such as where our control joints need to be. It'll show where our panels terminate, how we're actually tying in the windows. We can take all these and adjust them to how it would actually benefit us. So that way we can improve a better building, we can improve better drainage, we can coordinate our structural connections to the structure before anything is actually 100% designed.
Through BIM collaborative efforts, it opens a line of communication directly to the owner. It kind of gives us a chance to explore opportunities with all the other trades as a team, and results in a better product.
So a lot of times after we completely build a building, we can go through and we can look at a building and say, would it save a lot of time to do it this way? Would it save a lot of money to do this instead of that? But when we have a 100% 3D model, we can actually go into basically an already built building, even though it's in the virtual world, and we can look at things and say, I wish we could have done it this way, but we still have the opportunity to do it that way. So it's just overall getting a better understanding of how to effectively and efficiently build a building.